Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to look at recoloring a color group, a color swatch group in Illustrator. Now before I start this video, can I introduce you to my other Illustrator classes? I have a series of courses at Udemy. Right now there are 6 of them. In the description below are special coupon links for you for all of those courses. And please feel free to share those coupon links with others if you wish. I also have a whole lot of classes over at Skillshare. The coupon in the description below includes an offer at least as good as the current Skillshare offer, and often mine is generally better. If you sign up for Skillshare, you get access to thousands of classes there, including over 200 of mine. So let's swing back to Illustrator and we're going to see how we can recolor a swatch group in Illustrator. Now I've got a swatch group here which is not a particularly nice swatch group, and we're going to look at how we would recolor that. I have a document open, and for this I'm going to need a shape, a something in the document that I can select, because that gives me access to the Recolor Artwork tool. If I don't have anything selected, I can't get access to that. So with the selection tool, I'll just select on my shape and let's go to the Recolor Artwork tool. The first thing we'll do is disable Recolor Art, because we don't want to work on this art, we want to work on this web color group. So I'm going to select this web color group and I'm going to make a new color group out of it, just so that I have the original and a copy. And if you want to keep your original, that's what you're going to do. And then target the copy, so you've got it selected here, and go to Edit. And here you'll see your color group options. So for example, here is the gray and here is the red from the color group. Now if this icon here is set to link, and this is what it looks like when it's linked, and this is what it looks like when it's not linked. So if you have it set to link, you can drag on any of these colors and change the color group. You can see here that the color group is changing, and I can do that by just dragging on any of these colors. And what happens is that the relationship between the colors is kept constant. I'm just moving things around the color wheel. Now if I want to individually change the colors, I'm going to unlock them, and now I can come in and make my own colors by selecting the colors here and just making them whatever color I want. And so now I have a completely different color group. It's not recoloring the artwork, and that's really important, but I have a color group here that I want to keep. So with it selected, I'm going to click on here, Save Changes to Color Group. You can see that it's updated here, and then when I click OK, it's updated here in the swatches panel. So the Recolor Artwork tool is really handy for a lot of things, including taking a color group, making a duplicate of it, and then changing the colors in that color group so that you can use them in future for a project. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned things from it that you didn't otherwise know. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and of course share and comment on the video as always. Until next time, I'm Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel.